you should try to come clear this exam and enter these places. So then you will see how the environment is there, and you can, the environment is flexible. You can pursue any subject of your interest once you enter these institutions. Age limit, I'm not sure, but right now I think it is 28, 28 for general category, general and OBC. As far as I know, there are no certain such limitations, but normally in this exam there will be limitation up to two, so you can give only twice. Yeah, yeah. I think presentation is not needed. So you are studying in BSc first year. Right now, I think this year you can. Are you planning to give the exam? Maybe I should say that I would suggest that you should skip this year. Maybe second year students should prepare very vigorously, and first year students should just see the question papers and the pattern of papers. So that is sufficient for
Okay.
them, because as a first year student, you are only covering up to 30% of the syllabus in your first year. So it will be very difficult and it is not needed for you to prepare for this exam. So you can focus on the subject you are studying right now and then decide which field you want to go. First year, you should explore. Maybe if your combination is physics, chemistry, maths, so then you should explore about the subject, and you should explore your strength, and you should explore your interest in which subject you are interested to go further. So in that way, first year you should not be that much worried to go into this jam examination. Mhm. No, for MSc there is no other examination. IIT JAM is the only examination through which you can go to MSc in IITs. There is one more exam, hope you might have heard about it, and that is JEST, through which you can get into a integrated PhD courses. Yes. So, so I don't know how many of you are interested in. Yes, JAM also is considered for integrated PhD. Tactics, basically, there is no negative marking right now. So, so you can solve all the questions. See, most of the things I would just say that many people they study the subject very well, they prepare for the exam in a detailed fashion, and then on the day of exam they get disturbed because of some small issue. They are not focused on that day. They think that their memory is not working, they have forgotten everything. So that way preparation is the important tactic. So and revise your subject and give a mock examination. Maybe every month you give a mock examination, you sample examination, just like you give in the examination hall. And then see, you have 4 months, so you have minimum three times you can give this mock examination, and then automatically all the tactics will come in place. There is no tactic as such. Mock test, I would say there is a physics physics. Yes, that is also started from an IAC alumni. So he has prepared a lot for these kind of examinations. He has cleared just exam everything, and he has given a lot of. No, no, he is in Delhi. So he started this his coaching center long back, I think 6 7 years back, and then he's taking students who are rigorously preparing for JAM and just and NET, and they are giving very good results. Hmm. So from the first year, if you want to prepare, so normally you have to read your subjects, usual subjects, whatever you are reading, you have to prepare them, you have to revise the books. And for your usual BSc exam, you have to devote some time. So apart from that, if you suppose, if I expect that everybody is giving at least 1 hour per subject every day. So suppose first year students, say they have 3 subjects and they have to do their lab work and everything. They have to finish their lab reports. So if they are spending 1 hour per day, 1 hour per day for each subject every day, so the regularity is